So now we're going to do palpations. So what a palpation is, I'm just going to touch in a certain area. You're just going to tell me if it's tender or not as I touch there, okay?
Okay.
So first, I'm going to touch on the clavicle here.
No, there's no pain.
Okay. What about in the AC joint?
No pain.
Okay. What about on the chromium process?
Yes, there is some pain there.
And your coracoid process?
No pain.
And then the glenohumeral joint?
Yes, there's pain right there.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to do range of motion now. So range of motions, you're just going to move your arm, and I'm going to see how far you can go. So I just want you to, this is called abduct, which is bring your arm straight out. Is there any pain as you do that?
No,
Okay,
there's no pain.
now we're going to do horizontal adduction. So you're just going to bring your arm across. Is there
No,
pain there?
That's as far as I can go.
Okay, and then we're going to do internal rotation. So I just want you to internally rotate your arm down.
That's causing a lot of pain.
Pain, okay?
Yeah.
We'll bring it back up then. I'm just going to do external rotation, so just go ahead and go back now. Does that
No,
one hurt as much?
there's really no pain there.
Okay, and then can you go backwards, just normal for abduction?
That's fine too, yeah.
Okay. So now we're just going to do passive range of motion. So we're just going to focus on the two that he had problems with right now and see if they still. So I'm just going to, you're just going to let me do it. So you're just going to relax your arm in my hand. Just going to legs up and I'm going to cross.
Yeah, there's pain there.
Okay. And then just rotate it down.
Yeah, there's still pain.
Okay. Bring it back down. Okay, so then with resistive range of motion, we're not going to perform those ones because he has pain in his shoulder. Okay, so we're going to do manual muscle testing now. So we're just going to test for their biceps with elbow flexion and shoulder flexion. So I'm just going to put your elbow in flexion and then pull up into shoulder flexion. And I'm going to push down here, and you're just going to try and resist me pushing down, so you want to keep it pushed up.
Oh, that hurts.
Okay. Special tests. With special tests, I'm going to test different things to see if you actually have these conditions. So we're going to start with the O'Brien's test. So what I want you to do is I want you to put your hands directly in front of you, both of them, with you acting like you're emptying a can. And I'm just going to push down. I want you to try and resist me pushing down. If there's pain, just tell me if there's pain, okay? So I'm going to push down.
There's pain on the side.
Okay, okay. And now I want you to flip it around, and I'm going to see if there's pain again.
Yeah, there's pain.
Okay, so with that, that gives us a positive test for the O'Brien's test, indicating that it could be a possible slap lesion. So the next test that we're going to do is called the Grink test. And with this test, I'm just going to put you into internal and external rotation, and I'm going to push on the elbow here. And I'm going to feel up here for any cracking or popping on in his shoulder. Just stay here, externally rotate and internally rotate the shoulder. And it is a positive side, there's some cracking and popping and pain. So we want to make sure that it is a slap lesion, so I'm going to do the Jurgensen's test. This is going to test for the bicipital groove and make sure that we can rule that test out and make sure it really is a slap lesion. So with this test, I'm going to have you go up into like a bicep curl, and I want you to resist me pushing you in and down. So you want to keep it out and up, okay? And I'm just going to put my hand right there on that bicipital groove, okay? And then go ahead and resist me. Good, and you're able to do that. So that is a negative result. So he does not have a bicipital groove tear. It is just diagnosed as a slap lesion.